In this video, we are going to work the side sit. This is the second part of our series. In this video, we'll be working on the side sit, moving from the lay back. First, let's have a look at the full sequence, and then at the part we'll be working on. The side sit, so we're really gonna be leaning into our sitting now. Our leg will be more open. So what you wanna know is that you're gonna turn your pelvis and the upper leg, this is my upper leg, it's gonna be pressing into the pole. You really need to press the pole with the top leg. Let's do it just from low right now. See, it's pressing in my top leg, and well, it's gonna be pressing behind my lower leg. Okay? You really need these legs to squeeze the pole. You really need your strong leg, so you're gonna activate all the muscle you can into your leg. And now you can go sideways. My weight, so my shoulder and head weight has to be in line with the pole, okay? If you feel that you're gonna fall, it's because your shoulders are too far back. You need to bring them on line with the pole. Think about your spine. I'm here, I'm bringing on line with the pole. I like to bend the top leg and then turn my shoulder to the ceiling, so that's why I said the spine. If your shoulders are in line with the pole, when you're gonna turn, your spine will be. So my bottom hand will wanna go towards my top knee. So this is going this way. The other one is opening back. And this will give you a nice transition. You're gonna have all the space you want to move your body in front of the pole if you want, okay? Instead of trying to thread your inside hand, now it's just gonna go easily. Let's try it from a climb. Let's see what it looks like. It's pretty cute. Like I said, I like to bend the top leg. You don't need to, but I don't know, for style, I kind of like it. So, leaning, bending my top leg, and see, this hand is going towards my knee. The pole, if they were light, straight behind the pole, you will see the shade of the pole going into my spine, chin, nose, between my eyes. This is the way you're gonna keep your balance into a side sit. Everything is important, everything counts, your all alignment is there. Hips to the side. Keep pressing the pole on the top leg, behind the bottom leg. Get your spine or if you're sideways, your shoulder in line with the pole so that your spine is in line with the pole. And enjoy, it makes a cool transition. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, to hit that little bell to be notified of the part 3 of this series. Give a like. If you have any questions or problem with the move, please leave a comment and I will answer you and try to help you my best. Have a good day.